Hello, welcome to this video where I will show you how I made a really easy pinboard on the wall behind my desk. It has the added bonus of costing very little as well. All you need are a few basic materials. A nice flat sheet of cardboard, scissors, glue, and I also went for the option of covering mine with some fabric.
Come on, big ball, call for a pound, come on, cheap tonight. Don't see the great men of mango up in Ireland, pick your own.
Back home from the market, time to prepare the fabric. I chose a light green fabric with silver thread running through it. I set the iron to maximum for linen and started ironing to get out the creases. I applied the glue which I had available to me, wood glue, evenly over one side of the cardboard. Next step, I lay the fabric over the cardboard which I have pre-cut to roughly the size of the cardboard with a little overhang, and smoothed out the surface. Then I cut out a triangle of excess material from each edge of the fabric to make it easier to fold over and stick in the next step. I then glued around the edges of the back of the cardboard and folded over the fabric. And so basically what you want to do is just make sure you are pulling in reasonably taut, just like so. And when you've done that with all the sides, turn it over and leave it to dry. I added 4 command tabs like these, one on each corner for an easy to remove option. And here is the final result. This project is virtually plastic free, bar the command tabs, which mean it's environmentally friendly too. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe.